Hope you are good. And today we are going to do lists and H3. But last time I realized the video that I have just uploaded has got a problem. And the problem is I was explaining about the making the board of the part of the lines or the sentence as it is here. So we can use the board or we can use the strong like this. Let's replace that with strong, and here we close with a strong. Strong. So this is how we can do the strong. And the difference between bold and strong is just one thing. The strong is RAM, but the bold is just boarding on the screen. There's no emphasis at all. So from today henceforth, I would recommend you be using the strong instead of the bold. So thank you for this, and let us run it first, that we go to next. So we come here, we run our server, we run it using git bash and the command. I am not going to do anything else because already our project is within the web dev. So I can just run server python manage.py run server, and we get here. And when we get here, no, this is another project. Please let me close it. Now let's run it again. Yes, it's our project, and you see Isin Zaluni is still in board. So that's what I was talking about. Now we are going to eliminate to emulate this, and then we finish with the bulleting, listing with bulleting and listing with numbers. And how do we do that? First of all, you can do this by going to the one of my document that I give you, and you type the word list, then mdn search. You can see both ordered list and unordered list. If you can give it a go, try and see whether you can make the page look like this, and therefore come, or you can follow along. So let's get started. We first of all want to insert this line. So to insert the line, we are going to say HR. Remember, HR is self-closing tag, and then you Control S, and you come here and you refresh. You see the line like that. Then this one is this one is like, let me see, it's like H3, books and teachings. So after the horizontal line, you can come here and say h3, you say books and teaching. So we can start with unordered list. So URL, this is an unordered list or bullet. Whenever anything that you are going to put within this list, it is going to be bullets. So like let me say list, click tab or enter for autocomplete. Then the book that I use mostly is Python documentation. Python documentation, that is bullet 1. I also use another reference and it's called Django documentation. Django documentation. Let's save and refresh. Yeah, you see books and teachings, Python documentation bullet, and Django documentation bullet. Then let's see what else is remaining. We have my hobbies, and these hobbies are uh, in numbers. Now we can go and look at listing for numbers, and this will be hobbies. So we can say h3. Remember we click enter in order to autocomplete, and then we say my hobbies. And my hobbies, we now we are going to use ordered list. And for your information, you can give the type of the order that you want. You can also give like type. Yeah, you can specify the type, and then when you specify the type like that, you can say Roman 1 if you want to be Roman. But by default, if you don't display anything type of ordering, it is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. Or you start from where you want to start. If, for example, you can start from Roman 2, so it will be Roman 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let's see my hobbies, and my hobbies are within the list, and you hit tab to complete the tag. Then my first hobby is teaching. Teaching on how to code. Another hobby is playing badminton. Playing badminton. Teaching on how to code, playing badminton. I have another hobby. Hmm, yeah. So let's see what is going to be produced now. We Control S to save, and then come here and refresh our page. And yes, you see Roman 1, 2, 3, but we don't want Romans. And because of that, because I wanted you to see, you can include type of order list and you specify it. You can now get rid of that. And we Control S and we refresh again, and therefore it become 1, 2, 3, and like that. So today we have done the list, ordered and unordered list. So welcome, and let's continue next time. We are developing this our website. I want to encourage you to continue subscribing and sharing my lessons. We're gonna go up to the basics. We're gonna go up to the the web development, and also we shall deploy this at the end of the day, which most of courses you find yeah, but there is no deployment. So that one I'm going to teach you on how you can deploy your website live in the internet. So with that, I want to wish you very best, and we meet again refreshed. Thank you, and welcome.